What's up, guys? So today I've got a special new kind of thing I'm gonna try out. I was sitting at home having my morning coffee and I came to the realization that I haven't gone out and done any filming just for myself in quite some time. I've done, some projects for other people, and I focused a lot on my at-home editing and stuff like that. And I was sitting there watching some YouTube videos, trying to get inspired on what I could do to come up with something new and something different. So I decided, after watching some videos, that I was going to gather up all my gear and come out and do some filming. And what I'm going to do today, I've got my GoPro, I've got my Canon T6i, which I'm filming on right now, and I also got both my Canon lenses, my kit lens, my 18 to 55 millimeter, and my 50 millimeter 1.8. And I'm going to take it out and I'm going to take some video with both cameras and mesh them together, and we're going to have a good old-fashioned cinematic wars, cue sound effects or whatever. So I'm out here at Police Point Park in Medicine Hat, Alberta. I'm going to walk around. I got all my gear in the van. I'm going to drive around to a couple different spots, do some quick shooting, nothing major, and put it all together, and hopefully it comes out and we'll see who does it better. Now I know the GoPro, I've got it set to 1080p for 60 frames per second. It still has a bit of that fisheye look. I'm gonna try to get rid of that in post. Other than that, we'll cue the intro right now. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of cool things coming up in the near future. If you haven't, make sure you check out my other videos. I do some cool cinematic edits. I got an awesome video of the birth of my daughter, which happened 1 month ago today. Happy 1 month, Elijah. I love you very much. And just other stuff with my kids. Both my kids recently won championships for both their football teams. My daughter plays on 2 teams and she won a championship on both teams. Unreal achievements. I'm very proud of them, so I just wanted to give them a quick shout out. I'm starting to get some traffic, people kind of looking at me funny, but whatever, it is what it is. Anyways, we'll cue that intro and then we'll head out there and see what we can do and have some fun. Let's shoot some video.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Bets are off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this happy faster? What makes this happy faster? New tomorrow. faster. What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster? Tomorrow, tomorrow. Feel your sorrows, feel your. What makes this heart beat faster? Tomorrow, tomorrow. Feel your sorrows, feel your. What makes this heart beat faster?
So that was really cold. I went down by the water, by the river. The van said 0 degrees. When I first got out initially, it felt not bad. I even just wore my hoodie. However, I greatly underestimated the wind that picked up. Extremely cold. My hands are fucking burning right now. So I got some video. I cut it kind of short. I was gonna go around to the other spots, but there was a lot of elderly people and they were kind of giving me dirty looks. Apparently I was interrupting their morning walks out in this brisk, beautiful weather. So now I'm gonna head home. I just kind of stopped here. I got out of there and stopped to do this little outro. I'll close out with both edits, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it gives you some feedback on, I mean, obviously one's going to be better than the other. The Canon is specifically meant for shooting and photography. The GoPro is an action camera. It's kind of going to depend on personal preference and what you're using it for. But if you're using it, you know, like I said, this is based solely on cinematics, not quality, so to speak. So there is going to be a beast in the session. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Give me a big thumbs up. If you have any feedback, any comments, leave it down below. And as always, be sure to check out my other social media with the links provided. I'm always posting different things on there. Obviously Instagram, we all know I'm very active on there with my stories, my pictures. I try to give some tips. If you're interested in that, be sure to head over to those and check out my gear down below. As always, thanks for the love. Glad you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.